Jeff, kailan mo discover na may talent ka pala sa pagkanta?
To my school in 2009.
So, sino naka-discover naman nun nung pagkanta mo?
Mr. Marquez,
Bali, ilang beses kanya pinapakanta sa school?
3 times or 2 times.
Alam mo naman sa sarili mo na maganda talaga yung boses mo.
Maybe.
Ano ba yung pinaka-best song mo, Jeff?
Time natin ng Curly Whisper.
Curly Whisper, Jeff. Pwede ba kaming mga sample, Jeff?
Okay.
Sige, Jeff.
Game.
No problem.
I to never met the girl with me song of the good sound. The music dies, something in your eyes. Call myself a scream and all the goodbyes. I never gotta dance again. Guilty feet after it out. I never gotta dance again.
Yeah! Yeah! Ano sa'yo, Jeff?
Sasayaw pa.
Thank you naman, Jeff, sa manonood ng video mo. Thank you, Jeff. Sabihin mo.
Thank you very much to all of you.
Yeah. Okay.
Mahabang message. Tagalog naman.
English.
Message sa English.
Message sa mga fans mo na dadami na, Jeff.
Hello to all of us. I want to glow to my this is my song. I don't have a dedicated class, but sometimes you can deserve it and you love someone. Thank you. That's all.
Okay.